Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Trust you're all doing great. So in today's recipe, I share with you how I prepare this delicious fried yam with turkey wings. Okay, so without wasting much of your time. Alright guys, for the seasoning, I'm going to use natural spices like garlic, ginger, onion, pepper, and I will blend everything together and add it into the turkey wings. Alright, so now I'll go in with the turkey wings. And I have my seasoning. I'll also go in with some bay leaf. And in here I also have thyme together with rosemary. Okay. So right now I'm going to blend the natural spices, the garlic, ginger, and the pepper that I showed, and also come and add into it. Now I'll go in with the blended spices as well. So right now I go in with some water and I'm going to cook until it is done. While that is going on, let me take this opportunity to thank all my amazing subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I have been away for about 3 months, yes, ever since I posted my last video, and you guys are still here for me. Thank you. May God bless you so much. So guys, I'm going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes on the low medium heat. And so say ye ejane gidi bia senebeya spices no ebitimi akukumu ye. All right, so come with me guys. All right guys, so now it's on fire. I will let it cook for about 20 minutes, then check it out if it is done or not. So guys, now I'm going to peel off the skin of the yam. So I will do this off camera and get back to you guys.
So now after peeling off the skin, I'm going to cut it into my desired shape. Like this.
All right, guys, so our street fried yam and turkey wings is ready. Thank you guys so much for watching the video till now. I really appreciate. Please share the video to your loved ones, and also don't forget to like the video and give me a comment. I will meet you with another video. Until then, stay blessed, stay cool, stay calm. Bye.